My ladies, take out 1,000 naira out of that 1 million your man gave to you, because I know he gave you 1 million plus today. So just take 1,000 naira from that money and let's make this yummy pasta while I share a story from one of my followers. I have been dating this guy for almost a year now. I don't like him because he's not my type of man at all. He loves me so much though that he can do anything for me. He can do everything to make me happy. Even on my birthday, he did a lot for me, but he is not my type of man. He has money, he buys me hairs, phones, and takes good care of me. In fact, he wants to give me money to open my own shop. He is talking about marriage and he has already told my sister. He told my elder sister that he likes me and he wants to marry me. But I don't like him because he is ugly. Oh my God. I can't even go out with him because I'm just ashamed to tell my friend that this is my boyfriend. I'm a very fine girl with front and back. And right now, I don't know what to do. I want to marry a man that I love. I don't want to end up with somebody that I don't love. I even told him that I don't want the relationship again. And the last time I told him that, he almost took his own life. I am so tired. I don't know what to do, guys. Should I just continue with the relationship or I should just run away for a year? So maybe if he doesn't see me for a long time, he's going to leave me. I don't have any feelings for this guy. For the past months we have been together, I even insult him, insult his family, so he will get mad and leave me. But he will just be begging me. He's so caring and loving, but I just can't marry someone I don't love.
Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like my contents, please do well to engage and subscribe, and tell me the next content you want me to talk about or create. I love you all. Bye bye.